Hi there! Today I'm gonna show you a beautiful tourism spot in Fangchenggang, China. If you are a seafood lover, this video will be a nice choice. So is Chaisha Port, which has been a popular spot for the family tour for many years. The Beibu Gulf Sea Festival 2021 has almost come to an end, while a new fishing season starts already. Facing the deep blue, the port is getting busier. Ship vessels come and go. They return with a great harvest and leave for another rotation of abundance. Vendors have waited for a long time, intending to purchase the freshest seafood. Sorting is work needing patience, but the reward is worthy. After sorting, put ice in the boxes. Load the trucks. All kinds of seafood and sea products can be found here. Gopang pomfret, mantis shrimp, clam, squid, crabs, various fish. To select the seafood, people get closer to the stall, bargain with the vendors. Dried seafood is everywhere. After the water is removed, dry seafood can preserve longer. It smells like the ocean, salty and pleasing. In August, dusk barely comes. The sea waves are gently colored in golden by the disappearing sun. The whistle of ship vessels is still haunting in the air, saying see you tomorrow to the hardworking port. Where will be your next destination? Do you have any unforgettable memories of the sea? Please share with me your comment and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna show you more about the fantastic Bay City, Fangchenggang.